Hey guys, what's going on? So this stream, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over like a monthly analysis of basically just I guess the top coins or tokens. So let's go ahead and do this right now. So yes, I have the almost the top 20. Those are top to bottom. What I want to do here is just do like a monthly live. Yeah, basically it's like a monthly live overview of the top 20 coins or so. So yeah, let's get started. Let's see what I'm looking at here. Just XMR. Start with Bitcoin, and then we'll go over the other ones. Okay, there we go. Actually, let's go in alphabetical order. So monthly on ADA, I mean, we're resting on the green 55. Exponential moving average. And ADA is nowhere near its previous all-time highs at 2.79. So yeah, it's looking. I mean, it's not looking great, to be honest. As long as it stays above 50 cents, it has a chance to maybe retest $1. Like $1 would be a good like psychological number, but overall, I'm not too excited about this one. Let's keep moving. AVAX just looks absolutely terrible. We're closing below the low of last month, not last month, but of March. So that was the lowest monthly close so far this year. And since we're very close, like closing below it, 18.77, 18.01. That is a bit concerning for me. Let's see if we can like maybe draw a trend line here like this. So I suppose we're like working on a pattern similar to this, right? Something like this. Whoops. Yeah, something like that. So like a descending triangle with the base at around $9, which is like quite a large, area of space to fill out. So we'll see what happens. Let's see what else. BNB looks quite good. I think BNB is consolidating above the 21 EMA on a monthly, so that is a healthy sign. And really, this looks like a very healthy chart. If you can get above $750, I think we'll be going maybe to the moon. So we'll see. And then we got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin looks great on the monthly. We're going to close a new all-time high on the month. So that is definitely a good sign for Bitcoin, BTC. So yeah, I don't have much else to say. I think as long as we stay above, let's call it 100K, like psychological. But even if we go below 100K, as long as we're above like 21 EMA, which is at 75K, which is like the previous all-time high, then I think we'll be good. I mean, there's a chance we'll retest the previous all-time high, but maybe not. So we'll see what happens with this. Then we got Doge. Monthly time frame. Yeah, honestly, this one isn't as healthy. Like we did like have a great monthly close in November, but I think that was due to Elon Musk and the potential of Doge being like a transactional currency on X, or previously known as Twitter. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Let's keep moving forward here on Ethereum. Ethereum. Ethereum on the monthly. You know, it isn't a very tight consolidation range, so as long as it can stay above like 2,500 or like 2,054, I think we have a chance of retesting the all-time highs at 4,000. And guys, one second, I need to take a quick break. Then we'll move on to the next coin. I just need to do something really quick. 1 second. Let's see. Okay, so I'm back. So let's go back to SHIB. That's the last one. Yeah, so SHIB is looking good. It's below the major moving averages. It's below the 21 EMA, below the 13 EMA, below the 10 simple. And it's looking like it's gonna. I don't know what it's looking like, but it's not looking great. Solana hanging in there. Really needed to get above 232, and it needs to get about 232 to retest the previous all-time highs at 290, and then yeah, I think it really, if we drop below like 138, 138, let's see. Yeah, let's call it like more 120. That's the critical support. If we drop below 120 the monthly, we're probably gonna like, I don't know, retest the previous lows from 2023. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think it's consolidating for now, and we will continue to go up. Then we got Toncoin. This one is not looking great. Way below all major moving averages. Way below the previous high at $7 that we saw back in 2024. I think this one will probably find support at $2.50. But for now, not too bullish on this one. Let's see what else we got, guys. TRX looking great. This has been one of my most bullish altcoins for quite a while. So I think as long as TRX can stay above 23.63, we will continue to see some appreciation in this asset. Yeah, Uni just does not look good at all. I don't know what has this at like top 20. Basically support at $4 and resistance at 13. Pretty big range. And then the previous all-time high is down until 41. I think Uni overall is just like a token that not many people use anymore. It's like Uniswap exchange just, I don't think it's the most popular right now, but who knows? I mean, I think as long as we don't break below like $4, we have a chance here on Uniswap. XLM, like obviously had a huge pump, 468%. But I mean, we've come down like it's like a 50% retracement. But as long as we stay above 22 cents, then I could see this. Maybe trying to go a bit higher, back to 30 cents, then 40 cents. So we'll see. XMR. XMR looking great. It's been a massive consolidation pattern, and now it's it's above the previous highs. Let me get a cleaner chart. It's actually, I think this is the last one. Let's go to let's go to XRP because it's like a very constructive chart. So we got a range at $2.18 and the upper boundary at $3. So I think as long as XRP stays above $2, there's a chance we can retest $3. So we're probably gonna go and consolidate in this range for the next, oh, I don't know. How long can we consolidate here, really? I don't know. We could be in a consolidation stage for a while, like as long as it stays above $2, and even if it drops to $1.75, we'll probably find support. And guys, I think we just went through all the top 20, so I hope found some value in this. Again, I think obviously Bitcoin and Bitcoin and what's the other one that I liked? Bitcoin and Tron look the healthiest. And then BNB is looking great. So yeah, those will be my top three. I guess my just top three coins that I like from a charting perspective. So guys, I hope that helps. And I will be ending it here. So we'll see you guys in the next stream.